I am going to show you how to create AI websites in today's video. So see you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Rock a world events, watch your dreams.
To design our website, we are going to be using this AI tool known as Gamma. And you're going to access it via gamma.app, like you can see up here. So once you're done signing up with your Gmail or creating an account with them, it's going to bring you to this interface where I am right now. You are going to click on this button that says create new with AI, and it's going to bring you to this page. So there is three ways to do this. You can either use the first option, which is paste in text. And like you can see, this allows you to input notes or an outline about the website you want to create, and this is what it looks like. So all you have to do is to paste the text over here. Okay, then the second option is generating with AI, and like you can see, for this all you have to do is to input a one line prompt about the website that you want to design. So this is what we are going to be using for today's video, but let's first also look at the third option, which is import file or URL. So there is also that option. So once you're ready and certain with what you want to use, you're just going to click on the option just like that, and then import the kind of website that you want to design. So for this case, I want to design a hotel website. So my short prompt is perfect hotel website. Now don't forget to choose this option of web page just like this, and down here you can select the number of cards you want for your website. So cards, think of them as pages, and like you can see, the free plan ends on 10 cards. Then if you want more than that, you'll have to upgrade to a plus or pro plan. Okay, but for this case, let's go with the free plan. 8 is good, so we are going to stick with that. Then after that, you're just going to click on this option that says generate outline. You're going to give that a few seconds, and like you can see, it's in the process right now. Here are the results of the outline that they've generated for us, but I think with a little bit of more detailed prompt, we will get even better results. So I got a new prompt that we are going to be using in this particular case. So this is the prompt, and I've shared it with you guys in the description down below if you'd like to try it out as well. So let me click on generate outline, and I see what results we are going to be getting this time around. Like you can see, I think this is better than the previous one that we had. So we are going to be working with this. Now, if you scroll down over here, you will see that there is an option of adding cards if you want more cards to your website. And if you want to delete or to manually edit the sections, you can easily just come and click on the particular section that you want to edit, and then you'll be able to do that. So if you want to add cards in between two cards, all you have to do is to place the cursor in between the two cards, and this option is going to come that says add card. So you will click on that, and like you can see, you automatically have a new card. In this case, we don't need this option over here, so I'm just going to delete that. Then we are going to scroll down and we see what other different options that we have. So there is themes, and all you have to do is to click on the view more option. You go through these different themes and select the particular one that you like best. So there is a particular one that I want to use to build my website. It's this one over here. So I'm just going to click on that, and then after that, you're just going to click on select theme, and you're going to scroll down furthermore. So if you want to generate your images with AI, you're going to leave it at this option. And if you want to source them from a different place, for example, you want to get web images, stock images, you can select all these options available. So let's stick with AI images. And up here, you can also choose the amount of text you want per card. So if you want something brief, you will go with brief. If you want medium, you're going to go with medium. And if you want something detailed, you're going to click on detailed. Okay. So after that, you're just going to scroll down over here. And like you can see, there is an advanced mode option. So once you click on that, it's going to give you more options. For example, the first option up here is about the text content. So you can fill in your outline with added details. This is what we are using right now. And then the second one is you can shorten your content to be concise and presentable. there is also this one that says reformat while keeping your original content. Okay, so you can choose either of these. Then down here we went through this. It's about the text per card. So if you want something brief, you're going to stick with that. Medium, detailed, whatever you want to use. Okay, so you can even choose what your target is. Is it for businesses, creatives, tech enthusiasts, any option? So let's go with business in this case. You can choose the tone that you want for your website. So we can go with something professional. And then we are just going to scroll down to see what more options we have available. So we've gone through most of these. All that is left is these two over here. The first one is freeform, and if you read down here, it says freeform lets you scale or shrink your content into as many cards as you want. For example, you can turn a long document into a concise presentation. So when you click on card by card, it's also going to give you a brief description. It says card by card lets you specify exactly where card breaks should go, so you can outline your content card by card. So you're just going to go through these really well, and you select which one is better for you. So after that, you're just going to click on this option that says continue. Okay, so it's going to bring us over here. You're just going to make sure that this is the theme you want to use. If you want to change it, you can change it here as well. Okay, so let's click on create. And like you can see, this AI is now in the process of generating for us our beautiful website. So we are just going to give this time and we see how it's going to turn out like. I'm super excited. So guys, as we wait, if you're already finding value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and let's proceed. Wow, guys, this is our website, and I honestly think that we've done an amazing job. I'm super proud of you guys for coming this far. Like, look at what we just created, guys. I'm so proud. So don't forget that this all can be edited, and I'm going to show you how we can do that. Let's start with the option of adding a new page to our website. So all you have to do is to click over here, okay? And then it's going to bring you this option. So all you have to do is to click on the plus button on your right. So it's going to show you two options. There is one for add page with AI and the one for add blank page. So let's try the add blank page option, and we see what we are going to get over here. So I'm going to input a new text over here, okay, just like this. And then you can either choose to edit this with AI once again. So for example, you can improve on the writing with AI. If you click on that, you're going to see that AI improves on this. I'm also going to show you how you can add an image to it. So there is different options you can go through that are very, very helpful. Okay, so this is done. Like you can see, it's been improved, but also on the right, there is different options that you can use. For example, the layout, the smart layout. Let's try the 3-column. Okay, so once you click on that, you'll see that you'll have 3 columns over there. So I don't like that actually, but let's go ahead and try to add an image to our page. So I'm going to click on add image, and I see what this AI is going to come up with. Like you can see right now, it's visualizing and it's in the process. I'm super excited to see what it's going to generate for us. This is the image that it has generated for us, and I think it did an amazing job. So to delete the layouts, these 3 columns over here, we are just going to select this just like this, and then you're just going to click on the delete option, and that way it's going to be gone. So let's go back to our first page. The other thing we can do here is to add our logo, and to do that, you're just going to click on this button over here, just like that. So if you want the AI to generate the logo for you, you can go ahead and input a prompt that describes the kind of logo that you want. But if you already have an existing logo, all you have to do is to click on this option, and then you're going to select this option that says image upload or URL. So you're going to find the logo that you want to use. You're going to upload it over here, and that's what you're going going to be using. Okay, this looks great. And the other thing we can do here is to add a link that is going to help the website visitors navigate through the website really quick. For example, let's say I want to add a link that sends the visitors to the rooms. You're just going to type in rooms over here, okay, just like that. And then you'll come back down here. So you can paste in the link, or you're just going to go through, you're going to scroll down until you find rooms and suites. So you're going to click on that just like this, and like you can see, it's automatically added. So once you click on this button over here, it's going to bring you straight to the rooms and suites. Okay, so let's go back up here. If you want to add other links, all you have to do is to click on add link, and then you're going to follow the same exact steps we took for the rooms. Okay, now let's go on the right. Like you can see, there is this option that says add a button. So let's navigate that as well. So once you click on that, still you can add a link, or you can search for a specific section of the website that you want to attach over here. For example, let's say the contact us page. So I'm going to edit this to contact us. Okay, contact us, and then I'm going to click over here. Then I'm going to attach it to the contact us page, just like this. Okay, so it's that easy. Now let's test it out to see if it actually works. So I'm just going to click on it just like this, and like you can see, it brings us straight to this page. Okay, that works really well. So one thing I want to show you over here is that you can also go ahead to edit these cards card per card. So you can click on either this option of edit with AI, and it's going to provide you with different options. For example, you can improve on the writing, you can fix spelling and grammar, you can translate, make longer and shorter cards, simplify language, different options. If you want to change or add an image, all these options, like you can see. Okay, so there is also an option over here of card styling. Once you click on that, like you can see, you can change different things over here: the background image, overlay effect, overlay color, all these things. Okay, all you have to do is to go through them and you see how they really work. Okay, this one over here is going to allow you to duplicate the card. If you want to duplicate it, you can copy the card link from here. You can export the card, all those details. Okay, and if you look on the right, there is more tools over here. For example, there is the card templates if you want to use templates, and there is smart layouts. For example, if you want to change your text, if you want to have 3 columns, 2 columns, 4 columns, all these things over here. So you just have to give yourself time and go through these really well. You can add basic blocks, for example, like the titles. There is different things you can do here. You can upload images from the web. You can still generate AI images by clicking over here. You can embed different videos, okay, into your website by clicking on this option. Then you will be able to upload the videos that you want to use, whether it's YouTube videos, like you can see different options, Spotify, TikTok. You can add all those different videos. Okay, so you can also embed different apps. Okay, so you just have to give yourself time and you go through this really well, like I said, guys. Okay, now there is one more option that I want to share with you guys before we publish our website. So if you click on the 3 dots over here, you'll see this option that says site settings, and this is going to give you the option of editing your site name if you want to add something to it. Okay, for example, let me say I want to change it to KCK. I'm just going to do that just like this. Okay, and then you can go ahead and upload the logo or the image from here. So down here it says navigation. If you want to add a top navigation bar, you're going to select this option, and if you don't want one, you'll go with this other option. So you can go ahead also to put your Google Tag Manager code in order to track your traffic. So there is also this new feature of Meta Facebook Pixel. You can also do that as well. So if you want to remove the Gamma branding, you have to upgrade to a plus plan, and that way you'll be able to adjust by clicking on this button over here. So let's go ahead and click on save, and once you click on that option, it's going to show you our domain name. So since we are using the free plan, we are going to be having this domain ending with gamma.site. So if you want something custom, you'll have to upgrade to a pro plan, and if you have an existing domain name, you'll be able to use that. If you don't have one, you'll be able to purchase a domain name using gamma.app. So now that we are ready, let's go ahead and click on publish site, so that our website is going to be published. finished. So let's go ahead and click on this option over here to see how our website turned out. I'm super excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is it. This is it, guys. I think this looks incredible. I love everything. You guys can let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this. I don't know. I think this is great, guys. We did an amazing job. This is why I'm already super proud of you guys, honestly. Oh my god. This is really beautiful. Let's try the contact us button and we see, okay, that works really well. I think I should have added a back to top button. I didn't add that, but you can work on that. Okay, I showed you guys all the skills. So let's click on the rooms and we see, yeah, it brings us to the rooms as well. Guys, I'm super proud of you guys. Let me know how you stand out. Okay, guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you found a value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.